Welcome to day 2. I'm so excited. It is about exercise and meditation. So some of you are not currently exercising, but our goal today is just to get out and go for a walk, right? Get on the treadmill if you have to, depending on the weather, but I want you to do some form of exercise today. I want you to exercise and I want you to meditate. And together today, we're going to do a very simple self-awareness meditation. So I want you to close your eyes and I want you to notice how you're sitting. When you're sitting, how do you feel when you're sitting? How does your sitting bones feel? How does your body feel? And just sit in a chair. Sit back in the chair, put your hands on your thighs. Focus your breath in through the nostrils, out through the nostrils. And then just start to observe from your foundation, from your feet. Notice your toes. Breathe in, move into your ankles. Notice your knees, both your left and your right knee. Notice your thighs and your hips. How are those feeling? How is your hands feeling on your thighs? Breathe into your belly. Breathe into your solar plexus. That's right here underneath where your bra line would be. Breathe into your heart, the center of your heart. It's all about the breathing in and the breathing out. Breathe into your shoulders and your neck. Breathe to the crown of your head. And notice how your hair feels on your head. How the clothing you have on embraces your body. Notice how the air feels against your cheeks. That's my favorite feeling. The air against my cheeks. And then I want you to connect with the feeling state you want to feel today. So, joy, passion, abundance, alignment, connected, spiritually connected, whatever it is. I want you to connect with some feeling, some emotion that you really want to feel today. Have it in your heart. Feel it run up your heart, your throat, all the way down to your arms. And then continue your breathing in and out. You'll notice that your energy levels are increasing. Your vibration is increasing. And that joy, that passion, that excitement, that openness, positivity, all those emotions you want to feel, they're starting to come up. And I want you just to continue to feel those. Continue to feel those emotions. You are welcome to continue on till you decide to open your eyes. And when you open your eyes, it'll be a new moment